Want safer browsing on your phone? Learn how to enable safe browsing in Chrome to protect yourself from harmful websites, downloads, and online threats in minutes. First, go to the Chrome page. Once Chrome launches, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the list of options, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap Privacy and Security. This section contains several tools designed to keep your browsing activity secure. Next, tap Safe Browsing to access Chrome's protection settings. You will now see different protection levels available. Enhanced Protection provides the highest level of security. It offers faster and more proactive protection against dangerous websites, suspicious downloads, and harmful extensions. This option can also help identify new threats more quickly, but it requires Chrome to send some browsing-related data to Google for advanced security checks. Standard Protection is the default option for most users. It warns you about potentially dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions while maintaining a balance between security and privacy. Simply tap the protection level you prefer, and Chrome will save your selection automatically. No additional steps are required. Safe browsing is now active, keeping your Chrome experience safer every time you browse.